Are reliable timekeeping systems required by employment law? In today's fast-paced work environment, the question on many employers' and employees' minds is whether reliable timekeeping systems are required by employment law. This topic has gained traction recently, especially as businesses navigate compliance with various regulations. With wage and hour laws constantly evolving, understanding the requirements can help prevent costly mistakes. Reliable timekeeping systems are not always explicitly mandated by every employment law. However, they are often essential for employers to comply with wage and hour regulations. In the United States, the Fair Labor Standards Act sets rules for minimum wage, overtime, and record keeping. This law requires employers to maintain accurate records of hours worked for non-exempt employees. This means tracking when employees start and stop work each day is crucial. Without a reliable timekeeping system, employers risk making errors in payroll. These mistakes can lead to wage theft claims or violations of labor laws. For instance, if an employer fails to pay overtime due to poor time tracking, they may face legal action. Additionally, many states have their own wage and hour laws that may require stricter record keeping than federal regulations. Some employers utilize time clock rounding to simplify payroll processes. This method rounds employee clock in and clock out times to the nearest quarter hour. However, it is important that this practice is applied fairly and does not shortchange employees. If time clock rounding is used, it must not result in employees being paid less than the hours they actually worked. Employers are not permitted to withhold wages for time already worked, even if an employee submits a late timesheet. This is a key point under the Fair Labor Standards Act. Accurate timekeeping helps ensure employees are compensated for all hours worked, preventing disputes. While employment law may not specify the exact type of timekeeping system required, it does mandate that employers keep accurate records of hours worked. Reliable timekeeping systems assist employers in meeting these legal obligations and avoiding costly mistakes. For employers, this means having a good system in place is not just about convenience. It is about complying with the law and treating employees fairly. If you are an employer, review your state and federal requirements to ensure your timekeeping practices are current. If you are an employee, remember that you have the right to be paid for every minute you work.